Today I will show you how to make tortilla using almond flours. So just watch the full video.
Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make.
Here are the ingredients for making tortillas using almond flour. 3 cups of almond flour, then baking powder, olive oil, salt, then the 1 cup of warm water. So all you have to do is just to mix all the dry ingredients together and combine it well. Followed by the olive oil, and of course your 1 cup of warm water. Using a mixer for first 1 minute, you should put the mixer into a low speed. After 1 minute, make the hand mixer to high speed for 1 minute. Then after that one, go back to the slow speed for 1 minute also. Then using your hands, you scrap all the remaining flour on the side, and this is time you need to transfer this to the flat surface. Then you should do your dough. It's easy. I love the almond flour because it's easy for you to work the dough. It's not sticky at all, like same like flour. So this one is the best way. This is my first time doing this one, but I love the result for this dough. See, as you can see, it's not sticky, it's all together. And using your baking pin, so you just roll it and make it flat so that you can divide your dough. Put a little amount of almond flour on the top so that you can roll the pin easily and it will not stick together. Using a sharp knife, cut and divide your dough according to the sizes you want. So making it like small balls for you to so easy for you to roll in, like to make a thin of your dough, to make sizes of your tortillas. Spread some almond flour. using the rolling pin again, so you just flatten tortilla, you can make as thin as you like. So I like this one. See, the result is good. The result. Heat a pan using also a little amount of olive oil. Just put one time. And after, if the olive oil is really hot, then you can put your ready tortillas. As you can see that this tortillas is the very nice result. I love it. So this is the way I'm making my tortillas. While you're still cooking for your tortillas, the cook tortilla, just make sure you cover with any kind of lid cover so that it will remain warm. And here's the ready tortillas. You can put fillings, chicken, beef, or whatever you like, and sauce like tomato, lettuce, onion, and any kinds of the filling you like. So thank you for watching.